Enterprise Additive Manufacturing is a special course that's different from other types of training programs because in our course we don't just focus on technology or machinery, we focus on your application. We work with you wherever you are in the world, if you have personal interests or professional interests, and try to come up with a solution where we work with your ideas and try to turn them from idea to prototype over 5 really intensive hands-on days at MIT. This year, we're very fortunate that the largest additive trade show in North America, the Rapid Plus TCT Show, is coming to Boston during the same week as the week that we're teaching our class. This allows us to not just tell folks about the technology, but then show them what's available from vendors, materials, or other players across the supply chain so that they can take their ideas, learn about them in class and practice, and then actually go and meet real vendors and real manufacturers who will help them bring their ideas to life after they leave MIT.